morning, everyone. My name is Phrasal. I study in class 7th B. My school name is Army Public School, Karachi, Jabalpur. My father name is Sajjad Sele. He is a village star. My mother name is Mamta Sele. She is a housewife. My brother name is Shan Sele. He is a student. I play to football. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Agriman Shrivastava of class 8. I am student of Christ Church Girls Senior Secondary School Jabalpur. I am going to express my views on self-talk. Self-talk means talk to ourselves. It is a process of soul searching. We hardly lie our conscience and control our speech. Self-talk is efficient because when we are vocal to ourselves, it makes a great impact on our mind. Our mind receives same messages repeatedly, and this repetition of self-talk will find tunes to perform in our brain. Self-talk is a software which directs ourselves for better results. We bugged up from other suggestions sometimes. It is very helpful to make our decision. Self-talk is a comes self-talk comes from within, from always correct and give us full satisfaction. Self-talk is a best motivator and best friend to make us the fabulous speaker. Each one of us have good and bad habits, though we hardly show our grey areas in public. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Shanja Sele of class 7th. I study in Army Public School number 2. Today I am going to share my views about Jabalpur. Jabalpur is known as a city of marble rock. The another name of the town is Sanskar Dhani. It is located on the bank of river Narmada. It has many visiting places like Beda Ghat, Burgi Dam, Kachnar city, etc. There are many foreign tourists come here to visit this wonderful city. The city has become an attraction for Bollywood industries. The High Court of MP is situated here. It is also known as a hometown of gun carriage factory. The one-third of area is covered with army units. The covered army units. It comes under Tier 2 city. I feel proud to be a part of this city. Thank you.